So I went for a walk this morning and I came across this thing. It's the kind of thing I actually often come across, and it's clearly spent about a year in the river. Now, when you look at something like that, you'd think it was wrecked. I mean, I look at it and I think it's wrecked. But there's got to be something we could do with that, hasn't there? Anyway, let's get it back to the lab and see if there's something we can do with it. Get it back to the lab and, yeah, that is a mess. Okay, most of this stuff actually isn't much more than cleaning it up. So what we're going to do is pull it to pieces, get everything a clean, and then we'll see where we are. Now, I'm not going to do a video of pulling it to pieces. It's just a matter of undoing the bolts and cleaning the parts. So I'll do that, and we'll see what we've got. Okay, so I got the whole thing together, and basically it's a big pile of dirty, rusty metal, which is awesome. So the next job is to clean it. Now, I don't know if you remember Miracle Cleaning Solution 2. I did a video on it called Miracle Cleaning Solution, and to be honest, it's awesome. It cleans up rust and dirt and oil and mud. No worries at all. And if you refer to that video, you'll see. It's really simple. It's just vinegar, salt and washing up liquid, and with the aid of a sonicator, the next job is to clean everything. So all I've got to do is clean all the gunk off of this and all the rusty metal and see what we can actually get out of it once we've applied Miracle Cleaner. So let's get on with that. I specifically wanted to show you the chain, actually. This is before it goes in the Miracle Cleaning Solution. As you can see, it's muddy and rusty and stiff. Let's get it in there and see what happens. It can be hard to get an idea, actually, how good Miracle Cleaner is. Remember, I'm not selling it, I've given the recipe away. But here I've cleaned the forks, half of it. So I've cleaned that half there. That's the original condition, which is awful. That is amazing. Here is the stem, incidentally, that went up to the handlebars. And that's the bit I've cleaned there, which is like new metal, which is amazing, really. And we'll get the rest of this cleaned. But I wanted to give you a sort of half and half shot so you could see the effect that Miracle Cleaner has. And there's the after shot. When Luke saw this, he swore blind I'd nipped out and bought another one. But that's it. That's just the application of that cleaning solution I've been going on about. Now, there's no angle grinder here, no wire brushes. This is just the cleaning solution, an umbrella pad and a little bit of elbow grease. Clean that up like that. Okay, that beautiful flexible thing is the same chain that I just showed you after 2 hours in the sonication bath in the cleaning solution. It really is amazing. So let's get that on the bike and finish putting the bike together. Okay, and that is it finished. Now, I think it's unrecognisable from what I got from down by the river, and is really a testament to two things: my stubbornness and that cleaner. Now, I have done videos on that cleaner. I think it's called Miracle Cleaner, something like that. But just to remind you, all it is vinegar, a couple of tablespoons of ordinary table salt, and washing up liquid. So it's something everybody's going to have in their house, and it just does such an amazing job on rusty parts. So that bicycle is actually repaired and ready to go. There's still some adjustments to do to the gears to make sure that the gears can turn properly, but the whole thing cost me, I think, about £10. I had to buy 6 new spokes and a spoke key for the front wheel. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video all about recycling, upcycling and reclaiming stuff that we would otherwise think of as just something to throw away. Thank you very much for watching.